In this video, I'll show you how to set a closing date in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so your finished months or year don't get thrown off by accidental edits. A closing date doesn't remove transactions, it simply creates a guardrail. So if anyone tries to change something dated on or before that cutoff, QuickBooks prompts a warning or a password if you choose that option before changes go through. To set it up, sign in with an admin level user, go to the top right gear icon, then select Account and Settings. In the left panel, open Advanced, find the Accounting section, and click Edit. Turn on Close the Books, and you'll see a field to enter your closing date. Most businesses pick the last day of a reconciled month, quarter, or fiscal year after reviewing key reports like profit and loss and balance sheet. Save your changes, and from that moment, edits to older transactions will trigger the warning, helping keep reconciliations, tax numbers, and management reports consistent. If you work with a team or an accountant, align on who is allowed to make changes and when, and consider exporting reports right when you close for a clean snapshot. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that keep your books locked, clean, and accurate.